Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out HBAR's price chart, and I think we may have in this area sort of kind of a perfect bearish setup, suggesting our move down is going to continue. Why is that? Couple of reasons. Number one, as you can see in this face down right in here, we actually took this important low. And why is this important? Because you do have now a decent argument to say, look, in Hedera, this is ABC up followed by a correction down, most likely yet another ABC. Excuse me, I just took the wrong object, and this can be a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up, and well, on a higher degree, I do think these are probably the sub waves for an ABC flat. And let's say I am absolutely wrong in here and some sort of a bullish count is happening, then okay, in that scenario, I think your best shot at finding some sort of a bullish case is if you say we are having a series of 1-2s, meaning this can be 1, 2, and then big move into wave 3, 4, 5, and this might be yet another 1 and a 2, this time on a higher degree relative to this one, and this orange 5 wave up at that point is going to be into wave 3 correction for 4, another move into wave 5. But in my view, right now, doesn't really make sense to consider this thing as our primary case, and pay attention to that. I didn't say this is not possible. No, it is absolutely possible. It just doesn't really make sense to say this is going to most likely happen. Why? Two very important reasons. Number one, in terms of classic TA, meaning support and resistances, we are now under this very important region, and once more seems like that we want to get a solid rejection, and maybe this is going to be the rejection that is going to send us further down. Reason number two, you see, let's go around here. Excuse me, what just happened? Okay, whenever you are having couple of lows quite close together around here, a lot of short-term traders, amateur ones, are going to take some long positions in hope that we get a bounce, and we may very well in the short term get that bounce. However, the price actually has a tendency to destroy those people, and most of them do actually put their stop losses under the lows. So after a very short-term bounce, which is going to cheer them up a little bit, we are probably going to see a move down in order to clear all the lows and continue our downtrend. And why am I telling you this? Because let's go on a less busy chart, let's say from trading. There we go. So as you can see, this is okay, 1 2 3 4 lows quite close together, and I'm going to argue there are probably a decent amount of liquidity under here, and that is making me say, you know what, in Hedera, probably in the next phase we are going to get a move down and take all the lows, and odds are we may not stop there. We are probably going to continue our move on the downside. So for now, let's count on something like this to happen, maybe after like a very small bounce, something like this, a move down into wave 3, 4, 5, and at that point we are going to make new updates and see where are we going to go from there. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in HBAR. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.